Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. And today is Easter. Easter 2022. The bees are out, the pollen's out.
Hello, beautiful people.
We're out here getting ready for the festivities, of course. Terry's dressed me like a deranged Easter bunny.
Oh, that's coming up.
Yeah, but I got matching sneakers, so I'm good. So as long as the ensemble has matching sneakers, you are good. Right?
Yeah.
And you look lovely today.
Well, thank you.
And would you want to parade your outfit too?
No.
Because we're in the country,
I have
folks,
my
so Terry has
overalls on.
bibs.
Yeah, they're comfortable. Got to do a lot of running today.
Yeah. So we always have a lot of festivities. Terry's a heck of a planner for, it's always Easter. Well, most holidays are all game day, right?
Yeah, it's all about the games.
Yeah. And she likes to set up like 5 or 6 different games. There's individual sporting events, there's team events, there's, basically a lot of stuff around to do so everybody has fun. Because that's the key to any family function, is to have fun. Forget about all the issues, the problems in the world, and just have a little fun. Get away from reality for a little bit. And again, hats off to my lovely wife for doing all that planning.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
So the rest of this video is going to be
to follow this
Yeah.
intro is going to be 2020, when it was just me and him. That was the year of the staying home, and we did activities. So we're just going to show it for those who didn't see it. It's just us being goofy and having fun.
right. And yeah, it was, because we couldn't do anything as everyone else couldn't do anything. So we tried to do our best, and Terry did another fine job of setting that all up. Usually I'm not into that. I'd rather work in a garage or anything other than do games and things like that, but you did a great job.
Mm-hmm.
So with no further ado, the video will come to you.
2020.
That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
No further ado. Yeah.
Hello. Happy Easter. I hope you had a wonderful Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody.
We've decided that instead of being sad that we can't be with our family on Easter, that we're going to play some games. We usually always have games that we play on Easter, and usually they're pretty competitive, and we always have a blue team and a green team. So we're each going to represent the blue and the green. And I have 4 activities planned, and we're going to film it, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you had a wonderful day. Even though we miss our family, we know we love each other, and we're just staying strong and doing what we can, keep our mind off of the craziness.
You're gonna cry? After 33 years, almost 34 years, we've had some kind of gathering at the house for Easter, where there was dinner, but we always had an Easter egg hunt for the kids. We always had games, because Terry's kind of a fanatic about that and has to have games. So
you always have to have fun. What's life? Life has to be fun.
And I found out one thing, where our sons got their director abilities. It's from her.
No,
You're like a tyrant.
I just know that.
Put your mask on. Take your mask off. Get the camera right.
All right, is this how this whole thing's going to go? Because I want you to have a good time and have fun.
Yeah, that's me having a good time.
Okay. All right. So I hope you enjoy. This is our first one that we're doing.
And it's like a sweatshop in this
We're going
thing,
to
too.
You don't have to wear it when we do the first activity. Okay.
Gotta put my personality
We'll
back
see
on.
you in a little bit.
Peace.
Okay, we're
Where's the
starting
camera?
with the first one. And of course, it's an Easter egg hunt. You can't have Easter without an Easter egg hunt.
And you can't have Easter without beer.
I had
Miller
hid
Lite.
half the eggs, and he hid half the eggs to make it fair. So we're just going to go around and run and get all our eggs, and then whoever has the most eggs gets an extra point. But we're going to add the eggs up as points and keep track of it that way. Okay, ready?
And the irony is, what do?
What?
We don't put all our Easter eggs in one basket.
That's true. We don't.
Mm-hmm.
We have 2 baskets.
Be smart. Be safe.
Okay. Ready?
You
Wait a
taking your
minute.
beer?
No.
Okay.
I can't do it with a beer right here. I only got 14 and he got 15. We can't find the other one, so we'll keep looking.
Well, did you find it?
No, you had to put it in a rock.
I think this costume's got fleas.
Huh?
This costume, I think, has fleas because the cats are in the garage. Everything's itching. I got swamp ass and freaking itching too. When you're so happy, go down the slide. Land on the full cover.
It's tied.
All right, it's tied. You know I hate losing. You know I hate losing.
You lost.
No, I mean each game. I hate losing games. All right. Well, congratulations.
Next one. We each got 15. I found the last one.
See how hopped up she gets over this?
Okay. This activity is going to be hopscotch, and I was practicing this in the kitchen, and I fell. So Uncle Larry was right when he said, "Oh, were you playing hopscotch?" We were practicing, and so that's what we're going to do. But I don't think we're going to show you the whole. You ready for this? I haven't played hopscotch since I was probably 15.
And I've never played
maybe
hopscotch
younger.
because it's what?
It's not a
It's a girl's
game.
sport.
It's all about balance.
Okay, we've been at this for like 30 minutes. We can't hit the 9, we can't hit the 8, and we're about exhausted. So
I think we should just like go for like the number 6, and then that'll be it. Because all this hopping is getting me just, I don't know about you, I'm sure you too, because I hear you, out of breath.
that's my heart beating. That's not my breath.
Well, that's the thing. This should be really a group thing. I don't think this hopscotch is.
It's not for a 60-year-old
kids
person.
under
We're almost
50.
60.
Okay, I'll
So-
try 6, and if we don't get it in a couple tries, then we'll just call this a tie again.
Right, and so the winner of this game is if you don't have a heart attack and die, then you're the winner.
Oh,
All right?
now I get 8. Very good. So this ends in a tie again. Who's going to win?
So far, who's getting a participation trophy? Everybody!
2 more activities, and we're done. Okay? So on to the next one.
And you can hear we're already out of breath. All right.
Hello. Now we're going to play musical chair. With 2 people, you can't stop the music. So what we're going to do is set my alarm, and then when the music goes on, that's when you had to sit. So that's what we're going to try.
So just one chair. Don't you
Just
start
one
with
chair.
2 and then you go to 1 and then you go out?
No, because there's only 2 people.
Okay.
So we do 1 chair.
It's
So
kinda
whoever
sad, isn't it?
gets that chair is the winner.
It's very sad that there's only 1 chair.
Well, it would be fun with more people, but we're trying to do the best we can. So,
Because we are very family oriented.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go.
All right. If you can't hear it, tough shit.
That's cheating!
There. That's a happy Easter pose,
Okay,
isn't it?
I would have really won that, right?
Who doesn't want a rabbit in their lap? You're like a
I would have won
deranged
that
Easter bunny.
one. I think that counts as my win.
Yeah, there was cheating involved. I did cheat. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Not really. Push the plunger down. Set the timer. Put the pieces in place. Don't be slow. What was that?
Perfection.
Very good.
Okay, this one is, we're going to put Peeps in our mouth, as many as we can. This is the 4th and last activity. The first.
Did I ever tell you
2
what I'm reminded of when you say putting peeps in your mouth?
Don't even go there. The first Easter egg hunt and the hopscotch tie. The musical chair, I won. He pushed me. I won. Really, I would have got on that chair.
Sour watermelon.
So I'm up 1. So okay, yeah. He now this is fair because I picked the pink ones. He picked sour watermelon, which I didn't think was a very good choice, but maybe, I don't know.
I would have taken sour apple because remember, what was the other thing I always used to eat?
Sour apple Jolly Ranchers.
Very good. But they had sour
Okay.
watermelon, so I'll take that.
I'm really kind of nervous about this. I've never done anything like this, and I'm probably going to gag.
So don't panic, though, if you start
wait a minute.
choking.
We should start a timer for 30 seconds.
It doesn't really matter, I don't think.
You don't think?
No.
All right,
but again,
I'm not going
remember,
to be able to go
just
that far.
if you're choking, sweep. Index finger in, sweep, and pull out.
Okay.
Okay? So, because I'm going to do it if you choke to death and I got to revive you, because CPR, you know, you got to sweep the mouth, check the airways, ABCs. Remember that, people.
All right.
Highly
Ready?
trained individual.
Ready, set, go.
Hmm? Mhm. I don't understand what the hell you're even saying. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There. It matches your outfit.
Oh my God. That is really hard. Okay.
Even spitting it out, it looks nasty. It looks like freaking like I had a head cold or I had the corona and I'm spitting out all this phlegm. That's what it looks like.
Oh,
Look,
Jeff,
look,
don't even,
look.
that's disgusting.
Look.
Was it sour?
It wasn't bad. But just the sugar. The sugar's crazy.
I hope you enjoyed it. We actually ended in a tie then.
Yep.
Because I couldn't
Excuse
get,
me.
I only got 8 peeps in. I couldn't get any more.
How many's in a pack? 10?
And he had 2 packs in there. He had 20, so he got 14 in his mouth.
And if it was actually,
I should have known that I wouldn't
if it
win
was even
this
close,
because
I would
he's
have
got a
packed
big
more in there.
mouth.
So I used to do tasty cakes. Remember for challenges, I used to pack like 2 packs of crimpets in
Yeah,
there.
and then he would win. He would win money for doing
work
it.
years ago. Yeah. So.
I hope you all had a wonderful Easter and enjoyed our silly goofiness.